Hey guys, welcome to the Brand Creators. This is Sona Arosh, and today the topic that I'm going to discuss is something which will be really helpful and useful for many of the people sitting at home these days. And the topic is the easiest way to make money from home. As we all know that lockdown is going on, the people are not going to offices, the businesses are not operational these days. Many of the people avoid going to crowded places. Even after the pandemic has settled down, the people would avoid traveling in trains or moving to crowded areas. Most of the people would even leave their jobs just for the fear of COVID-19. So whatever be the situation is, the people would still want money and the businesses would still want people to do their jobs. This is where freelancing work comes into play, and that is what I'm going to discuss also. How to make money from freelancing and how to start your freelancing work very soon. So in today's video, I'll be helping you with one great idea or one great website, you can say, with which you can start your freelancing work as soon as possible. So firstly, let me tell you what freelancing is. For those who don't know, freelancing is kinds of jobs only, but then on contract basis. So anyone is able to do freelancing work. Whoever is sitting at home and wanting to earn an extra income can do freelancing work. But how will you select one of the websites? Because there are a lot of websites on Google and you'll be confused about how to select one. So today I'm going to discuss about one such website which is really helpful and will help you earn good income from there. So the website that I'm talking about is Fiverr.com. Most of you might have heard about Fiverr.com. So for those who don't know about Fiverr.com, I'll explain you about what is Fiverr.com and how you can earn money starting on Fiverr.com. So here is an explanation video that I'll show you right now.
So Fiverr is one of the largest marketplaces for the sellers or the freelancers, where the freelancers can just show off their skills and get offers. So Fiverr is basically a buyer-seller platform wherein the buyers are those companies or people who would be offering the jobs, and sellers are the freelancers who would offer their skills. So in order to start freelancing on Fiverr, you need to create your seller profile. It is important to showcase not only your talents but your skills, education, certification, etc. This will help potential buyers learn more about you and your qualifications. So firstly, add your full name. This information will remain private. Uploading your profile picture is important. You should add a picture of yourself to add that personal touch. You can also upload your logo or an image that shows the type of service that you're offering. Then add a description to let the buyers know your expertise or any other important information about yourself. Make it as interesting as you can. You can add the languages that you speak and add the level of fluency also. In the professional info, add your occupation, the skills that you have, etc. These can be the skills that you have gained from your previous jobs, hobbies, etc. You will also see the skill recommendations based on what you have added. You can add up to 15 skills to broaden your reach. Then you need to add in your educational background. This is a great way to distinguish yourself even if your educational background doesn't directly relate to the services that you're offering. Include any certifications that you have, like awards or other certificates, to highlight your expertise. This will help you to be seen as a qualified professional. Now add in your personal website if you have one. This information will remain private also. In this section, you need to link your Fiverr account with your social accounts like LinkedIn, Google, Facebook, etc. This will add your credibility. Lastly, you need to fill up your email ID and mobile number for verification. Once finished, your seller account page will look like this, where you can add in your gigs to showcase yourself in front of the buyers.
So this is how you create a good seller profile on Fiverr.com. But in order to get good job offers, you will have to create good gigs on Fiverr. So here I'll show you another explanation video on how you can create good gigs on Fiverr.com.
Fiverr has a very easy interface where you can create your gigs. Log into your account and click Selling and then click on Gigs. Then click Create a new gig. So this is a gig creation page. Here, firstly fill up your gig title, which is a way to present your service. So it should be short, clear and to the point. Now choose the category and the subcategory for your gig. Fiverr also suggests categories based on your title. Choose the most suitable category so that you can get found easily. In the gig metadata area, you can make your gig easy to find by selecting the relevant criteria in each topic. This will help you get more exposure and traffic to your gig. Now add tags, which are keywords related to your gigs. This will help buyers find you faster. This is a scope and pricing section where you can add your packages and details of your offers to the buyers. Here I will show you how to make one package. You can add in 2 more higher packages also. First, write a title for your package. Then in the description area, briefly describe what you are offering. Keep it clear and simple to make the buyers understand if this meets their needs. Define your delivery time, revisions and all other details in your package. Then set an attractive price for your services. You can also add a price for extra fast delivery. This is another description area where you can explain your offerings in detail. You can also add FAQs. Here you can ask your buyers to fill out what you require from the buyers to start working on the project. In the gig gallery area, you can upload videos, photos and PDF files. These are different ways to display your offering to the buyer and to showcase your previous work. Finally, the gig is created. Now you need to verify the account using SMS or phone call option. Once the verification process is completed, press Next and then publish gig. You can share your gig on various social networks also. So when buyers arrive on your gig page, they will see all the details. Once selected, they will arrive at the checkout page where they will see the summary of the order and then they can make online payments.
So this is how you create gigs on Fiverr.com. So once you've completed your seller profile and you have uploaded noteworthy gigs on Fiverr, you can just rest. That means your job is done and now you can wait for your companies to start giving you offers. So this is how you can start making money using Fiverr.com. So if you have liked the video and you think that the content was informative, do subscribe my channel, like the video and share with maximum people. Thank you.